Candace.
That wasn't me. It was Phineas and Ferb. They farted.
No, Candace. That wasn't Phineas and Ferb. It was you. And stop farting at the dinner table. Because it's rude and it's not funny. And if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
I agree with your mother, so stop laughing about it. Because it's not funny, it's rude, and if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
Mom and Dad, we're always being polite at the dinner table.
I know you are Phineas and Ferb.
We're so glad you boys are always being polite.
Thank you.
You're welcome, boys. Candace, say excuse me when you burp at the dinner table.
Ha 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 ha.
Candace, stop it right now. It's not funny. So say excuse me right now. I mean it.
Excuse Phineas.
Hey, Candace, stop it. Dad didn't ask you to say excuse me. He asked you to say excuse yourself.
Yeah, Candace. I told you to say excuse me. Not excuse Phineas.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Candace, will you please mind your manners?
Yeah, Candace. When you start burping at the dinner table, say excuse me. So, mind your manners. You know what, Candace, that's it. I can't take it anymore. Go to your room right now.
Okay, you stupid idiots.
Oh. Candace Gertrude Flynn. How dare you call us stupid idiots? You know that's very rude to call others that.
That's it. You are grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room right now, and be ashamed of yourself, and think about what you did, Missy. No dessert for you.
Fine. Whatever.
And stop slamming your bedroom door.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.